Welcome! In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through the brand new Telegram update that lets you control who can attach your profile link whenever they forward your messages. This gives you more control over your privacy, while still allowing trusted people to share your content with your name attached. Let's dive right into the steps on how you can set this up using the Telegram app on your PC. First, open your Telegram application on your computer. Once you're inside, look toward the top left corner of the screen and click on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open up the main menu where you can access all of your settings and features. From this menu, go ahead and select Settings. Inside the Settings window, you'll want to click on Privacy and Security. This section holds all the tools you need to customize how other users interact with your account. Next, scroll until you see the option labeled Forwarded Messages. By default, you may have different settings applied here. But to make sure you're fully in control, click on it and choose Nobody. This ensures that no one can automatically link back to your account through forwarded content unless you specifically allow them. Once you've set it to Nobody, look just below for the option that says Always Allow. Beside it, you'll find a button that says Add Users. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll select the people who you trust enough to forward your messages with the ability to include your profile link. A list of your contacts will appear. Simply choose the users you want, confirm your selection, and then click Save. This locks the changes in place. Finally, you'll be asked to confirm the setup to make sure everything is applied correctly. After confirming, you're all set. Now, only the users you've chosen will be able to add your profile link when they share your messages with others. And that's it. Quick, easy, and secure. With this update, Telegram gives you the flexibility to protect your privacy while still allowing for selective visibility. Take a few minutes to adjust your settings today so you can enjoy full control over how your messages are shared.